Hi, so we have Dr. Ganesh here. Ganesh is fresh out of his hair restoration. This is exactly 48 hours, no, 24 hours. Yeah, he did it yesterday, right? So we finished it yesterday evening, and right now he's here. And we just removed the dressing today. The dressing is given to give compression to the wound on the back side, yes. But I think now it's all off, and he's leaving tomorrow back for Bengaluru. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now has been the entire procedure.
It has been very fantastic. I do not feel any pain, much pain. It's like a pain which you similarly experience during your PRP procedure. That's it. It's not much painful.
Right. So all the hype around the pain in the hair transplant
it's
is
just
not
really hype.
It's just hyped up, right? And did you sleep well last night?
I slept very well last night. I even forgot that I had a hair transplant.
How was the experience in the procedure?
See, the procedure is all about you don't feel that you are in a hospital. Okay, you're just in a spa, relaxing, chilling around. That's it.
Right. How important
and
is
with sterility.
With sterilization, right? How important is the doctor's personal care into the procedure, and how important is it for the doctor to perform the procedure himself or herself?
See, they have taken their lot. It has taken a lot of time, and they have given their best. I don't know, especially for me, they have given their best.
Right. So you think it's important for the doctor to perform the procedure himself or herself, rather than just
really
leaving it to a team of people who are not qualified to perform it?
It is to be done by a professional doctor with full sterility. It's not that anybody can do. If somebody else is
I think Ganesh is a doctor himself, so no one would understand that better. Yes, it's important that you take this procedure very seriously. It's a surgical procedure and it has to be taken good care. It's a long procedure involving local anesthesia, so it should not be taken lightly. Yeah, the safety and the quality should always come before the cost. Yes. This is not a salon procedure. It's not like going for a haircut. Yes, it's much more than that. So this is very important in general interest of the hair transplant procedure itself, that people get aware of this. Yes, I think we had a good time. Yes, thank you for coming down, and I hope you have a head full of hair in the coming 1 year. Next 1 year, we're gonna have a video again.
Sure.
All right. See you. Take care.